Hello friends, Almor here, and today we're reviewing a controller from Beitong Asura 2 Pro. The box is pretty nice. There's a lot of Chinese, although this is a US version, but for some reason guys from Beitong decided not to translate everything. Here's what it looks like inside the box. So it looks like everything is just thrown in, but nice. User manual. We probably won't learn anything new here. Here they describe a turbo button and at the same time absolutely not describing what it does. I'll tell you about this later. So it connects only through USB dongle, so you will be able to connect it to PC, Android, TV and similar devices. Most likely you won't be able to connect it to console. So USB-A, USB-C cable, nothing special. Encryptions in Chinese, cute, but again, the cord is most ordinary. Well, at least it's not too stiff. The package is quite interesting. As you can see, those protective silent blocks are put directly on the package. Looks safe, but not very aesthetic. Let's open it. Here is a controller, and the color is absolutely amazing. It's beautifully shimmers. The only thing I personally lack here is some rubberized surface. The controller is a little slippery. That is, for example, my Xbox Elite Series 2. It's rubberized and therefore comfortable to hold in hand. This one is a bit slippery, but not critical. It doesn't fall out of hands, you know. Certainly after a long sweaty battle, it will stick to hand like glue. Let's listen to the buttons. Buttons are really quiet. There are also two additional buttons, M1 and M2, and if you pay attention, they sound quite different. There is no rubberized surface as a back either. This all is plastic, but the plastic is a bit rough, so it's also okay to hold. There is a place to store your USB dongle. It's not here yet, but it will be. We will put it there. And the name, Asura 2 Pro. USB dongle is stored here. And I think it's the first and last time it's stored here actually. We will put it inside the controller. What can I say about the pros? Firstly, they sent it to me for unboxing on my other channel. Would I personally buy it? Probably not. But the color is great, it looks amazing, sounds good, comfortable to play. It is nothing irritates, nothing causes unpleasant sensations. There is a shift button, which changes the main movement from joystick to D-pad and back. Here is a turbo button. By pressing it, you can set a macro to automate any other button. If you need to spam a button in a game, you can do it like this. Let's try to turn it on. When it turns on and connects to the device, it becomes completely white. But how to turn it off? The controller can be turned off in only one way, by holding the back and B buttons. And please don't ask me why, but it's only this way to turn it off. So, main pros. The biggest strength of this controller is that is cost less than $20 on Amazon right now. And in some colors, in particular the avocado color, the price is $9. Cons: lack of rubberized surfaces, lack of rubbers here. It's all plastic, soft, pleasant, but no rubbers and no molded body. That is, you can see this beautiful shiny surface does not spread to the entire surface of the controller. At the back, it's just blue. It's almost invisible if you don't look closely, but still, of course, over time you will start to notice it. I would really like it to be completely shiny and cute. As a conclusion, I have almost no questions to this controller. If you can buy it for $9, buy it. Buy two of them. It's a real find. That is, for example, my Elite controller, and it costs about $100, and this one costs 9. So what do you think? This controller is worth 10 of those? I don't think so. Thank you for watching. If you want to see unboxings of other gaming gadgets, please give this video a like. Have a good day, everyone. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I see you in the next one.